Good day, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Amurei Beekman, a grade 8 learner from Hoërskool Basdale. I'll be reading an extract out of Judy Moody by Megan MacDonald. It was a dark and stormy night. Rain slashed the window, lightning flashed and thunder crashed. Spooky shadows like giant teeth danced across the walls. Tick, tock, tick, tock went the old clock, thumping like a scary heartbeat. Quiet as a ghost, she climbed the dark, dark stairs in her bare feet. She tiptoed down the dark, dark hallway to the dark, dark door. She tapped 1, 2, 3 times, signaling in Morse code. Just then the door creaked open. Knock, knock. Ah! Screamed Judy from under the covers of a top bunk bed. She let go of the Mood Labs tablet she'd been writing in. It sailed through the air, bonking Stink on nudging. Ouch! Yelled Stink, rubbing his head. Watch the brains, you're gonna give an egg on my head. You're already on an egghead, Stink, Judy teased. Well, you didn't have to throw the book at me. At least it wasn't the encyclopedia.